Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Good morning. Which lesson are we in? We are in the second lesson, addition and subtraction. We have started with this lesson and I think you have completed up to exercise 2.1, fourth question. Am I right? Yes. Let me once again remind you, addition means putting numbers together. Yes, you remember from small we have taught you that addition means putting numbers together. The numbers are called addends and the answer which we get when we add numbers, two or more numbers, is called sum. Okay, yes, it is everything explanation is given in page 88. Yes, I think you have gone through the textbook. Going through the textbook also is important. Okay, now let us go to exercise 2.1, fifth sum. Yes, just go to page 91. Page 91. Exercise 2.1, fifth sum. Fill in the missing digits. This is very interesting. You can try on your own. Fill in the missing digits. Yes. All these sums which you did before, directly you are adding and writing. But here something has happened. Answer is given, you have to find the other number. Something like that is done. It is mixed. Okay? First one. First one. 2. Box is given. 7. Box is given. 9. This is the first line given. 2. One box is given. 7. One box is given. 9. Next. Plus 3. 8. 6. One box is given. Then down. What is given down? 4. 0. One box is given. Then 8. Then another box is given. Now, you may ask, ma'am, what should we write in these boxes? I'll just tell you how to find this. Now, 9 plus something is 4. Is it possible? 9 is already greater than 4. And they are telling 9 plus something is 4. Is it possible? Think. Is it possible? If 3 plus something is 4, if suppose here 3 is there, you may say, ma'am, 3 plus 1 is 4. But how do you get 4 here when already 9 is greater? Yes, you have learned carry over system in maths addition, correct? Now that we will use 9 plus what you can get 4 down, we will see. Okay, just to start counting. You can get 4 if you get 14, correct? Because one's place you write down. So we will count up to 14. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 5. So 5 if you add 9 plus 5, you will get 14, correct? So 4 and 1 carry here. Yes? Now 6 plus 1, 7. But we have to have 0 here. Again, what you should do? After 7, 8, 9, 10. So how much? Yes, 3, 0. 10 you will get 0, 1 carry. Now 7 plus 8. 7 in mind, 8 in hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have already added only this 15 plus 1. How much? Yes, 16. 1 carry. Now again 3 plus 1. 4, but here it is 8. So after 4 you start counting till you reach 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much is this? 4. Then what comes here? 2 plus nothing is 2 only. Just check your answer if you have done on your own. Otherwise, you can go through this and write. It is 9 plus 5 is 14, correct? 1 carry. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 1, 16, 6, 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1, 8, then 2. This is how you are going to fill in the missing numbers. Now same thing you have to follow with second sum. I am not going to do. I think you can do it on your own. Yes? Okay. Second sum you have to do. Just complete it same way. Same way like how we have done here. Same way you have to find the missing numbers. You try to complete it. Otherwise, of course, in any class, WhatsApp class, it will come in the form of notes. And if you want, I will also explain you in that session. But I think you can try it. Okay? Okay. Let us go to next main. I hope everybody is drawing line after each main and writing neatly. Numbers also one below the other. Yes, go to next main. Fill in the blanks. What is this? Fill in the blanks. Again, it is nothing but addition and subtraction together. I'll just explain to you how it comes. Okay, one small example I'll give you. For example, this is an example. Following this, you can do other sums. Okay, 7 plus dash is equal to 12. I don't know this number, but answer I know. 7 plus something is 12. So how do you find the answer? Some may directly say, ma'am, 5 because 7 plus 5 is 12. Of course, when you see smaller numbers, you get the answer. But how do you get the answer? I will tell you what you have to do to find this another number is when you have the answer and one number added, the other number how to find is answer minus this one number given you will get the other number. You understood how to do? Yes? Got it or no? Whenever answer is given and one number is given, for smaller numbers by seeing, just by seeing you may tell. If suppose 6 plus dash is equal to 12. Again, you may tell man 6 plus 6 is 12. But how do you get the answer? For smaller numbers you may tell directly, but for bigger numbers. For that answer minus this one number given, you will get the other number. Got it now? Same method you have to follow for all these sums. Okay, I am going to do just one or two. All other sums, same method you have to follow. Here addition and subtraction has come together. Now, again, answer is given. One number is given. How do you find the other number? Do it in working column. Right side of your page. Draw a working column like this. Use it for working. 378 answer minus that one number given. You will get the other number. Do the subtraction. I think simple subtraction I will not teach you. Yes? Okay, so can you subtract 9 from 8? No, it is greater. So borrow. Take 1 this side, 18. 18 minus 9. How do you do that? 18 in mind, 9 in hand. Before 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So, right? 9. Here how much is remaining? 6. Again borrow. 2 will remain 16. 16 minus 8. It is 8. But how to count I will teach you. Those who don't know, learn to count mentally or hand. You have to practice that. How to count in mind also. 16 in mind, 8 in hand. Before 16, 15. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So answer is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the another number. Got it children? How to do? When answer is given and one number is given, to find the other number, you have to subtract the given number from the answer. Answer of addition is sum. From the sum you have to subtract the given number. You will get the other number. Is it understood? Yes. I think second one you can do it. I will not do it for you. Second one you have to do. Yes? Even third one. Fourth one. All you can do. B, C, D. Same way you have to do. Answer minus other number. You will get the another number. Sum, that is answer of addition minus given number. You will get the other number. You have to do on your own. Same way working you have to do. Okay, if you want, I will do fourth one. B and C you do on your own. Fourth one, if you want, I will do. Again, it is the same thing, but still let me do one sum. Again, what is the method? Answer minus given number. Yes, subtract it now quickly. Yes, do it. Okay. I hope you have done. Check with my answer. Don't wait for me. 0, 7 minus 7, 0. 6 from 1, you cannot remove 4. So, from 6 you borrow. 11 minus 4. 11 in mind, 4 in hand. Before 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. So, answer is 270. I hope all have done all 4 sums. B and C you have to do like this only. After each sum, draw a sleeping line, go to the next sum. Yes, up to 4th one we have finished. Now, let us come to 5th one, E. This is little bit different. That is, here you have differences. You have numbers, that's it. But the way or the method is the same. Let me do one sum for you. E. Only one sum is there like that, no problem. F sum you have to do. This sum I will do. 64 plus 100 plus 986 is equal to dash plus 164. Actually, just by seeing the sum you can tell 164, 164. So 986 is the answer. But still, method or steps followed are: find the sum of all these three. You take down 986 plus 100 plus 1 plus you can put in a 64. Always write bigger number up, it will be easier. The smaller number down. 6 plus 4, 10. 0, 1 carry. You want me to add? 6 in mind, 4 in hand. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, plus 0 is same. So 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 6. Because here again 0. So 8 in mind. 6 in hand. How to add? After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Another 1 is there. So 15. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 1, 11. Now you have got this. What do we do? This is the answer of this side. Sum dash plus 164. What did I say? When you have one number and the answer that is sum of the numbers. This sum minus this given number, you will get the other number. So 1.50 minus 164. How do you do this? 0 minus 4? Can't. 0 is small. So borrow. 10 minus 4. 10 in mind, 4 in hand. Before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 4 minus 6, is it possible? No, because 6 is big, 4 is small. So, borrow. 14 minus 6. 14 in mind, 6 in hand. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So, 8. 0 minus 1, is it possible? Again, no. Borrow. 10 minus 1, of course it is 9. 986 is the answer. Just by seeing this also you can answer, children, because 164, here 100 plus 64 is 164. So 986 will come. Those who have understood like that, it is well and good. Otherwise, this method you can follow. Last sum I want you only to do, F sum. It is very easy. Same way it is. Like this only, but 3 numbers are not there. 2 numbers are there on both the sides. So you have to add on one side and get the answer. Then subtract the other number like this. You will get the answer for that fill in the blanks. I hope you will do it. It is in the same way. Only thing is here 2 numbers are there. In F sum, in E sum 3 numbers are there. In F sum there are only 2 numbers. It is easier than this sum. Okay, I hope you will complete it. Now we have completed the exercise 2.1. Let us move on to exercise 2.2. Yes, what is there in this exercise? It says that you have to solve some word problems. What are those word problems? Word problems are nothing but small stories given to you. Yes, wherein you have to include maths. You have to take it in the form of story. Yes, I will read out the sums and I will tell you how to solve. But your work is you have to copy the question from the textbook and then write the answer. I don't want anybody to leave space for question. Question should be there. When you write the question, read it and write. A reading habit in maths very important, children. Don't think reading is only for English or EVS or Kannada or Hindi. Even maths, you have to read the question. Make reading habit compulsory. Is it understood? Yes. Go to page 92. Page 92. Exercise 2.2. First sum. I am going to read out the question. You have to listen to me and understand in the form of a story. It will be in the form of a story only. You think you are listening to a story. When your mother or grandmother says, you will try to understand that story, right? Yes. In the same way, you have to understand the sums. Okay. Word problems are like that only. First one. It is like this. 52,605 girls visited a book exhibition which was held for a week. Please keep your finger on what I am reading. Go to page 92. Exercise 2.2. First sum. Keep your finger on what I am reading and read with me. 52,605 girls visited a book exhibition which was held for a week. There was an exhibition, book exhibition. It was there for a week, one full week it was there. You also might have observed and gone with your parents for different exhibitions. Maybe in Kundapura or in Udupi and all, your parents will take you for exhibitions, correct? So these many girls went. They have given a number there. If 396 boys, very less boys, is it? Yes. If 396 boys also visited the exhibition, find the total number of visitors. What is this now? Total number. Means what you have to do? Yes, you have to add. That's it. You have to add and find the total number of visitors. Now, whenever word problem is given to you, first you read it once or twice. You understand what is there in that. Then you note down what is given in your book. Then you do the operation. Operation means here addition, subtraction, multiplication or division with the numbers. Is it understood what you have to follow? First read once or twice. Understand. Then think what you have to do. Note down whatever is given. Then do the work. Directly don't start writing. Okay? Yes. First thing we have read it once or twice. Now we know what we have to do. That is we understood the sum. Total means we have to add. Now we will note down what is given. So number of girls visited book exhibition. Children, book whenever you write, it should be very neat. Don't write full continuous and number down and down. I want it like this only. Means numbers one below the other, statement one below the other. Question, you have to write the question. I will not write the question. Copy it from textbook. Then write the answer. Yes, number of girls visited book exhibition. You can put a dash or an arrow and write 52,605. Numbers should be very clear. Don't write in another page margin or don't write this down here and this sentence full. That should not be there. Suppose this is your page. I want it to come within this only. Like this only it should be. Numbers at the corner. Don't write number down, sentence straight, this number in next page margin. All that I don't want. It should be very neat. Maths, you should write neatly. Any subject for that matter, not only maths. Okay? Yes. Next. Number of boys visited book exhibition. Of course, you can change statement. Statement is your wish, but it should give one good meaning. Number of girls visited book exhibition. Number of boys visited books exhibition. You can change it as girls visited book exhibition or boys visited book exhibition. Anything, little bit here and there, no problem. In statement, okay. Numbers should not change. Only statement. 396. Write tens below tens, ones below ones, hundreds below hundreds, and thousands below thousands. This is very, very important in maths. So here total means addition. You add 5 plus 6. Yes, always I suggest bigger number in mind, 6 in mind, 5 in hand, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, 1 carry. 0 plus 9 is 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. This is called carry. Okay. Yes. 6 plus 3. 6 in mind, 3 in hand. After 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 nothing to carry. Directly 5. So total number of visitors, you can write here. Therefore, total number of visitors are 53,001. 53,001. This is the answer. Yes. Let us go to the next one. The population, second one. First one, please draw a sleeping line. Go to the second one. I'll read it out. Keep your finger on what I am reading and repeat after me in your mind or loudly, no problem. Repeat, and each word you should know how to read. Reading is very, very important. Again, I am stressing. The population of two small villages is 58,060 and 74,192 respectively. Respectively means first number is for first village, second number is for second village. For that we say respectively. What is the total population of both the villages together? Now, total population, when it comes, obviously you understand it as addition. Yes, it's very easy. Second answer, write down. Write down second question, then write the answer. I don't want any work pending. Second question you write, then write the answer. Second one. Yes, what is this question given? Population of two small villages. So you can write here population of village 1. What is the population of village 1? You can write down 58,060. 58,060. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 slaves. Yes, next one. Population of village 2. What is the population of second village? 74,192. You got the population of both the villages. Now you are finding the total population. Total population in the sense you have to add. 0 plus 2 is 2 only. 0 plus any number is the same number. Yes. 9 plus 6. What do we do? 9 in mind, 6 in hand. Can you add it? Yes, 9 in mind, 6 in hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 5, 1 carry. This is carry. 0 plus 1 is 1 only. Plus 1, 2. 8 plus 4. 8 in mind, 4 in hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 1 carry. 7 plus 5. Always I suggest bigger number in mind. 7 in mind, 5 in hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1, 13. So what is the answer? 1,32,252. I have taught you how to read numbers up to lakhs. So you should practice the reading of numbers also. 1,32,252. What is the statement here? You can write therefore total population of both villages is, you can write it again or there only if you write also it's okay. Down if you write also it's okay. Yes, this is the second sum. We have completed the second sum. Now let us go to third sum. What does it say? After second sum, draw a sleeping line and let us read out and write third sum. What does it say? There are 4,927 cars, 2,407 scooters, 6,909 lorries and 724 buses in a city. They have given all types of vehicles and their count in a city. You can take your Kundapura city or UP anyway. Just you imagine how many vehicles are there in the city. What is this vehicles now? Yes, vehicles means any vehicle. It may be scooter, bus, car, lorry, whatever. Here they have first they have given specification. That means cars so many, scooters so many, lorries so many, buses so many. But last they have asked how many vehicles are there. Vehicles means all together we have to tell. For that what we have to do? We have to add. Here again addition comes. But here see children be careful. Four numbers are there to add. Okay. Let us go to third sum. I hope all have written third question. Write the third question and come to the answer. Yes. Third answer. Statement again as you wish you can change little bit if you want. Third one. I will just write number of cars. What are the number of cars in the city? In the city, you can add like that. Number of cars in the city. You can add that sentence also. But if it is too long, you can make it short also. No problem. In the city. This way, if you write also, it is not wrong. So, in the city, how many are there? Cars 4,927. It is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Yes. Then number of what is next after cars? It is scooters in the city. In your city, you imagine how many scooters are there? 2,407. Is it correct? Yes. Then number of lorries in the city. How many lorries are there in your city? 6,909. Then how many buses? Number of buses in the city. How many buses are there in the city? In your city? 724. Just you have to check the number children. Plus sign you put because it is total. Be careful when you write many numbers. You have to cross check. Yes, let me read out. 4,927 2,407, 6,909, 724. Yes. Now let us add. Okay. There are many numbers given. You can start from up and you can start adding. But when you add, you remember the answer. 7 plus 7. I will help you out. 7 plus 7. 7 in mind. 7 in hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now keep 14 in mind. 9 in hand. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 in mind, 4 in hand. After 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So how do you write? 7 to carry. 2 plus 2, 4. Others are 0. So plus 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 9 in mind, 4 in hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 13 in mind. Again 9 in hand. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22. Last plus 7. 22 plus 7. Again 7 in mind. 22 plus 7. How much? 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 9 to carry. Now this you do, let me see. Yes. How do you do? Anyhow, you add these and add this, or you add this and then add this. Let me see what answer you will get. Yes. What is the answer you have got? 2 plus 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 6. I will not add. What is the answer you have got? Is it this one? Yes. If you have got this, it is correct. Take down the last statement. Here you can write, therefore, total number of vehicles in the city are. This is the answer. Okay. You can write this statement separate down and write the answer also, or like this also. It is okay. Yes. Now let us go to the last question. Now I think this one you can answer. I'll just read it out for you. Is it okay? Yes. Pramod bought a mobile phone for rupees 7,890. His friend Sonu bought a mobile phone which cost him 8,500 more. Find the amount Sonu paid for buying the mobile phone. I think you can try this. Only thing is, here you have to understand the question. It is nothing but you imagine you bought a mobile, okay, of 7,890 rupees, and your friend bought a mobile which is 8,500 rupees more than yours. Means what will happen there? That your friend's mobile will cost your mobile money and 8,500 more. So that will be your friend's mobile's cost. Let me see, you try in rough book. This answer and the statements I will send you in WhatsApp class, because I want you to try this. Is it okay? Yes, write the question and keep it ready. Answer you can write in your rough book, just one working you do and keep. Then of course you can check with my answer which I sent. Then you can write it in your notes. Is it okay? But I am not going to answer it here. I want you to try it. Got it? Okay. Now we have come to the end of exercise 2.2. Next comes subtraction concept. Yes, the concept you have learned it already. Subtraction means you are removing something. Adding means you are putting together. Subtraction means you are removing something. Yes, you have learned it from right from Montessori or first standard. You have learned it. Yes, and there are two things where you don't borrow and subtract and where you borrow and subtract. Yes. Then there are some more concepts. Just open page 92. Page 92. We are in page 92 only, correct? Yes. They have given there something called subtraction means there are two numbers and the answer, correct? Yes. When you subtract, you have two numbers and the answer. So those two numbers they are given names. That is, for example, they have given example also there. You can go through that. The question says 7 minus 5. For example, I will take the same example. Any example you take. Here, 7 is minute, 5 is subtrahend, and 2 is the difference. Answer of subtraction is called difference. This usually we don't use other two words, minute and subtrahend. We don't use usually, but difference. This you should know. Answer of subtraction is called difference. Answer of addition is called sum. Okay? Yes. So let us directly move to subtraction sums. Exercise 2.3. I am going to do just one sum for you because it is without regrouping. That is no borrowing. It is very simple subtraction which you can do on your own. It is just revision of third standard. So just one sum I will do. Take down children. I hope all have drawn sleeping line after all the sums and exercise. Yes? Go to the next exercise. It is in page 93. Page 93. Open page 93. Yes, first sum I am going to do only one sum. There is nothing sort of borrowing here. So I am not going to do all the sums. Only first one. It is very simple. 2463 minus 1212. This is the sum given. First sum. Other five sums you are doing on your own. 2463 minus 1212. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 1, how much? 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. I think I did not teach you. 6 in mind, 1 in hand. Before 6, 5. This is how we have to count and do this. All other sums, 5 more sums are there. I want you to solve it. Yes, you have to complete it. Of course, answers will come to you through WhatsApp class. You have to check your answer. If it is wrong, you have to redo. Don't leave it like that. If it is wrong, you have to redo it in your classwork also, no problem. You just write the question number and write the sum again if it is wrong. Whichever you have done. Okay. Yes. Now, let us go to next exercise. Exercise 2.4. 2.3. I hope all will complete it. It is very easy exercise. Complete all the 6 sums. Yes? Okay. Now go to exercise 2.4. borrowing. Page number 94. First one, subtract the following. What is the difference? Just now we did the same thing, ma'am. You may say, here there might be little bit of borrowing. There might be. Okay. First one, I don't think it is there. 8, 4, 2, 1. I will stop writing place values. You can write it or you can skip. I think now you know which place comes where and how to write one below the other. So I am not going to write that now. 5210. 8421 minus 5210. Do this, children. This you can do on your own, I suppose. Do it quickly. Next sum. 4832 minus 1643. Yes. Have you done with the first sum? I'll just write the answer. Check your answer. Have you got the same answer? Yes. No borrowing here. It is very easy. Second sum. Do the second sum. There is a little bit of borrowing here. Shall I do? Okay. 2 minus 3 can't because 2 is less than 3. So borrow. What are we doing here? Borrowing. Okay. There in addition you are carrying. Here it is borrowing. You borrow from here to the other side. Now 12 minus 3. 12 in mind. Yes. 3 in hand. Before 12. 11, 10, 9. So answer is 9. Next, 2 minus 4. Is it possible? 2 is less than 4. From 2 you cannot take out 4. So again, borrow. Borrow. 12 minus 4. 12 in mind, 4 in hand. After, before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So answer is 8. 7 minus 6. Is it possible? Yes. So 7 in mind, 6 in hand. Before 7, how do you count? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is very easy actually. 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the answer. Third sum I am not going to do. You have to do on your own. Third sum is 6875. Look into the textbook, children. Minus 3524. I suppose you have understood how to do the subtraction sums. Yes, it is just nothing but the normal sums. Little bit of borrowing, but little sums are with greater number. That's it. There is no much difference in calculation. You are not learning anything new here. Only numbers are big. So I want you to solve C sum. Okay? Yes. Complete it. Don't leave it pending. Don't do only how much I have done. Third one I should see in your notes. Got it? Yes. Then go to next main. Third main. Again it is the, second main. Again it is the same thing, children. Question is given in a different way, that's it. Arrange in columns and find the difference. What is this? Why have they given like this? Because sums are given in the sleeping manner. That is like this: 9256 minus 3246. 9256 minus 3246. They have given in the sleeping line form. You have to arrange it in the columns. Columns in the sense you have to write it in the standing form, like this: 9256 minus 3246. Yes, it is nothing but again same thing. You are going to subtract and write the answer. That's it. There is no difference, absolutely no difference in the solving method. Only thing is writing method is changed. They have given in the sleeping line, you have to make it like this in column and you have to solve it. Is it understood? Yes. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 minus 6. 9 in mind. 3 in hand. Before 9, 8, 7, 6. So, this is the answer. Don't forget to write numbers one below the other. I have not written the place value because you should know how to write without the place value heading. That's why I have not written. Keep in mind when you write the numbers, ones below ones, tens below tens, hundreds below hundreds, and thousand below thousand. So answer is 6010. Let us go to the next one. I think this one sum only I will do. A and B. Another sum. C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I think you can do it. It is very easy for you. Only borrowing with big numbers you have to do. That's it. Okay. So let me do the second one. 7584 minus 4343. So how do you write this? Again 7584 minus 4343. Write one below the other, both the numbers, and subtract. Normal subtraction. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 4, how do you do? 8 in mind, 4 in hand, before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So answer is 4. 5 minus 2, 5 in mind, 5 minus 3, 5 in mind, 3 in hand. Before 5, 4, 3, 2. 7 minus 4, 7 in mind, 4 in hand. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I think all other sums, maybe there is some borrowing and all. You want me to explain? Or you will do it on your own? Yes? C sum, it is very easy. I think you can do. Yes, write down the C sum. C and E, I think it is very easy. Yes? C and D. Okay, E sum I will do it for you. C and D you do. E sum I will do. Because I think zeros are there, they will just reach you. If suppose it is like this. Yes, question says 2000 minus 489. How do you do this? 0 minus 9, you can't. So borrow. From here nothing is there. Then what will you do? You have to borrow from here. Here also nothing is there. Then you have to borrow from this number. So 1, you borrow here, it becomes 10. Again borrow 1 here, this becomes 9. Again you borrow 1 here. This becomes 9. Got it? This is a bit different sum, so I have done it for you. So here 3 zeros are there, so you have to borrow from thousands place and make this 10, then borrow 1, this becomes 9, this becomes 10, then you borrow 1, this becomes 10, this tens place becomes 9. So now 10 minus 9, just count and tell me what comes 10 minus 9. It is 1. 9 minus 8, count and tell me. It is 1. 9 minus 4. 9 in mind, 4 in hand. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Then 1 minus nothing is 1. I think other sums you can do. When 0 comes also, there is one sum, H sum, where 3 zeros come. Try to solve this. If you have any doubts, of course in WhatsApp class I will be sending you the answers. If you want, I will explain it there also. Is it okay? Yes. Now I will stop here. we have come to the end of this class. I have finished up to exercise 2.4 subtraction sums, second main. I will come back in the another class with the we will continue with the next coming sums, that is from third main of exercise 2.4. Is it okay? Yes. Thank you, children.